Hello everyone, I am Surbhi. Uh, I do tarot readings for the people from all around the world. So you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Right now I am gonna do a general reading for Gemini people for the month of July 2021 with this tarot card. Okay. So what I am gonna do is I will pull 3 cards out from tarot deck. First card will be the first 10 days of July, second card is the middle 10 days of July, and the third card will be the last 10 days of July. Okay, so let's start shuffling. Oh, Three of Swords. For the middle 10 days we have 10 of Pentacles. Okay, for the last 10 days we received these 2 cards, so I will take this both the card, 5 of Swords and 9 of Pentacles. Okay, and bottom of the deck we have Knight of Pentacles. So here what I am getting, so Gemini, what I am getting here is like you are not feeling satisfied with your life right now, because it has just happening some delays in your life, and because of that delays or something like that, so you are feeling heartbroken because we have Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles is all about very slow moving energy, and it's a card of earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So this Knight of Pentacles is telling me that something is very slow moving in your life, or what are you waiting in your life is coming towards you very slow. But yeah, it is slow, but it's a very stable. Okay, so what are you waiting for right now, and just you are feeling this heartbroken because of this. So here the first card is Three of Swords. So Three of Swords is telling me like you are heartbroken and you are missing someone. Okay, it's also a card of missing someone that is very far from you or something, and it is also a card of some delays. Okay, like some delays because this is very slow moving energy. Okay, like you are watching for your love interest, because we have Two of Cups underneath. Okay, and this Page of Wands, like you are waiting for someone to message you, because Page of Wands is all about messenger, online communication. Like you are waiting for some message, some call, or if you are not watching this for love, then in your career you are waiting for something, some opportunities, some promotion, something like that. So because of this Knight of Pentacles, you are feeling heartbroken, dissatisfied, and some boredom, some or it could be any you know like you are waiting so long, and you are waiting so long for the things to happen in your life, but till July it's not going to, like it is not happening. Okay, so you are feeling this heartbroken because of that, and you are just thinking and thinking, because swords is, also represents mental conflict. So you are questioning yourself that why it is not happening. This is July. We are in July, and of course we have just passed 3 months, the past our 6 month, and just remaining 6 month we have in our hand. So we are, just you are just thinking like that. We have only 6 months, what to do next, and something like that. You are, just uh, you are just conflicting your mind, okay? Because we have also here five of wands. Five of wands is a fiery energy, like it's a card of Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So you are just you are in competition, or you are in like some mental conflicts, and some competitive environment, and some you are going through like in your recent past, or currently you are going through some heartbroken or some conflict in your life. So this is not like you are not feeling good, like you are not getting what you want, and obviously your environment is also not good, and you are questioning yourself what is happening, and when will it happen, like what I want. So it will happen, okay? It will happen, because why I'm telling you this, because we have 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. It will happen, but it will take time, okay? So we have 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles, okay? So the last part of July will be very like you will very satisfy, because 9 of Pentacles is all about it's your energy, okay, Gemini. It's your energy, like very, very you are doing some self love, and you have just balanced your life, like your time, money, family life, your personal life, all will be, you know all will be balanced, okay? And 10 of Pentacles is a card of happy family, some reunions, okay? Or you are meeting someone new, or you are meeting it could be you are meeting with your family, or coming home after so long, okay, to meet everyone in your family. Like this 10 of Pentacles is all about, complete family happiness, like everything is coming into your way, but it is slow, yeah. So it's all our minor arcanas here, okay? So it will happen, fast, okay? And just keep yourself, just do some self love, and just nurture yourself, okay? And this is a very independent energy. So Gemini people, you have to do self love, and what are you waiting for since long time? Just keep patience within yourself, okay? So just keep patience within yourself, because you have received this, you are gonna receive this in the month of July, okay? So this is not just it's not a like long lasting energy, it's a temporary energy. You can escape with this with that energy, okay? You can escape, it's not a big deal for you, okay? You will definitely receive some uh, like some good news, or some news regarding money, or something like that. You are what are you waiting for right now? Okay, so I will take one card as an outcome for you, as an advice for you. What we have for Gemini people. One card for Gemini people. Two of Pentacles. So here is your advice, Gemini. Like what I have said, like you have to balance everything, so you will feel free and carefree like this man, like how he is handling this two pentacles. Okay, and this is showing me that you have to balance yourself first, okay, and do some self love. Okay, just keep patience and just wait. You waited so long, right? So just just keep patience, little patience more, like that. Okay, just keep little patience more. And this two of pentacles is you giving you an advice that you have to balance your life, and just feel free like this man, and don't juggle yourself. Okay, this card is telling me that just don't put yourself in a two situation or something like that about your family or personal life or your career. Okay, just don't, just focus on one thing. And two of pentacles is also this makes number 8 or infinite sign. Okay, infinity sign, that denotes that the person can handle all the issues come in his way, and manage his life with gracefully. So your advice is to just manage everything gracefully, and still just despite all the chaos that surround you, feel carefree, like. Okay, and it's also telling me that just balance your resources, what you have in your life, just balance it. Okay, and despite all the chaos that surrounded you, just keep yourself grounded. Okay, just keep yourself grounded. And okay, so these all are minor arcanas, Gemini. So you have it's not a just big thing for you. Just keep your patience within yourself and just go with the flow. Okay, we have Empress. Yeah, look at this. When you are in balanced situation, and just you feel very stable, like Empress and Nine of Pentacles here. Both the girls, like, very self-loving and very beautiful, and feeling very stable and very beautiful in their world. Okay, so yeah, this is your reading, Gemini. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.